Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently in an interview, I was asked to write a program to validate Sudoku. I was given 30 minutes to write the complete program, and I managed to write bits and pieces, but I could not write the complete program to solve any given Sudoku array. But that got me thinking, like which data structure I can take advantage of in Java to write a program to validate Sudoku. Uh, Basically, as you all might be knowing, right? The simple rule for Sudoku is like we need to write a program. We need to validate like any number which is between 1 to 9, right? So that should not repeat itself within the same row or within the same column, sort of like this, in this column, and then within the box as well, like within the 3 cross 3 box or 3 cross 3 matrix. So we have to make sure that in any of these three validations, right? So the number which is an integer between 1 to 9 should occur only once, right? So yeah, basically what we need to choose is how do we validate it? I mean, there could be a number of ways, but eventually what I uh, got down to was like to select a data structure which would make sure that only unique values, right? Unique non-null values between 1 to 9, it should be allowed. And if you try to add duplicate, right? So then it should raise a red flag saying that you have already added in the row. So which should give me like, yeah, I mean, this is an invalid proposition, right? So yeah, so in with Java, what I've done is I have decided to use hash set because set, as you all know, right? So it doesn't allow null values. Plus, it doesn't allow any duplicate values as well. So I have went with set, and just to make sure, right, what I've done is I've used set in such a way that I will use the set to have row. I mean, the entire row should be represented within a set so that every time I try to add a duplicate value, right? So it should tell me whether this particular row already has that number. If it has, then it should raise a flag. Similarly, I also am going to validate the column again with the set so that it raises an immediate flag. And similarly, right? So I'm going to use a set for validating this box also, right? So that's the way I'm going to validate. It's kind of like a three-way validation, right? For the 9 cross 9 integer array.